After creating a project in the dashboard, think of an objective as a 1 or 2 line summary of what you're trying to achieve or build, and note it down over here. So, for example, my prime objective is to simplify work from home through optimally designed physical workstation. Initially, you can write a very high-level summary and do not need to be precise. This step lays the foundation for the rest of the process. It should reflect your purpose of pursuing a particular idea, which you may or may not choose to capture here. Select down here if it is a product or service, or is it a process. We are taking an example of a product, so I'm going to select this option. Product or service is something you deliver to the customer. Process is what you do to improve your own operation, which deliver a product or a service. Generally, startups are around a product and service, and once mature, they will look into process innovation. Here, you add a target date for completion. For example, I'm going to select March 2022. This date is not an end date for your story. This is actually the next major milestone, say product launch date or process commission date. With these three main items, click on the Save button. You can also take AI assistance to refine your objective. To do that, click on this button. At the top of your screen, you can see the current objective. To get suggestion, select the creativity level by clicking on any of these buttons. I'm going to select Low. If you like any of these suggestions, click on the Exit button, and it will be reflected in your objective box. Now you can edit it and hit the Save button. The refined objective is captured. You can take AI assistance as many times as you want. Each time you generate suggestions, it would consume some tokens from your token balance. If it gets exhausted, you can wait for 24 hours to get it refilled and try generating again. During the process, you might want to add an action item. To add an action item, click on the Add button at the left side of the screen. Add the description, select a due date, and save it. You can also view the list of your action item by clicking here on the Open button. I have covered more on action items in my other video. Now that you have decided the objective of your venture, you're ready to capture insights.